Fire in the commander hole. Let's cook some pizza roll-ups. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue grill. What I got going on for you today is we're going to make these sausage pizza rolls. I got the idea from my buddy Markus. He's a German dude. He runs a channel called 0815 Barbecue, and he made this with pizza dough. I'm using puff pastry. I hope it works out the same. And we're going to cook this on my charbroil commander on the pizza stone. So the first thing we got to do is, well, Markus cut out a notch in his pastry. I'm not going to be able to do that with mine because mine's a lot smaller than his. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to estimate where my pastry is going to be, and I'm going to take a knife and cut strips like this. It's already starting to soften up. Hard enough to do. Yeah, we got to cut some strips like that. I think they need to be a little longer than that, actually. Strips into the pastry like so. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm cutting like diagonal strips. If that dog doesn't shut up and go outside, I'm gonna get mad in about 1 minute. I don't know what her problem is. Anyway, you see what I'm doing? I'm cutting these diagonal strips. Baby, will you let that dog in? Stupid mutt. Boy, I've had enough of that mutt, I'll tell you. I don't know what my wife's doing, but she should let the dog in. Who let the dogs in? You can tell I'm feeling better because I'm, attempting to sing, sort of. Anyway, I'm making these cuts in the dough. I hate working with dough. I don't know why I decided to do this. Just because Markus did it. He made it look easy. Okay, so I got some cuts in the dough. We got some Genoa salami we're going to put down here on the dough like this. This is a pretty simple procedure, isn't it, so far? You think it's simple? You try doing this at home. Okay, yeah. And about, I think, 4 pieces of salami. And then we got some Rayo's sauce. Now, I want to thank my cousin Lenny for turning me on to the correct pronunciation of Rayo's. I've heard some people on the internet mispronouncing it. I used to mispronounce it myself. I called it Rao's. It's Rayo's. Rayo's sauce. Comes in a jar, fresh out the jar, as my buddy used to say. Okay, we got some that. We got some mozzarella cheese that we're going to drop down on there. Mozzarella cheese, that's good stuff. Okay, now I got some sausage that I cooked up last night, and I'm going to put that right there. One there, hence the name sausage roll-ups. And another one here. Markus used hot dogs for his, but I didn't think hot dogs were appropriate. One there, a little bit more sauce on there. You can't have, I don't know if you can have too much sauce, I guess you could. Markus made a notch in the end of his, so he was able to, fold the end over. I'm not going to be able to do that because my dough just isn't big enough. A little bit more sauce, a little bit more cheese on top of that. Cheese. Man, this thing is going to be packed out. Let's put a little bit more cheese right there. Now you take your dough and you fold it over like this. Isn't that pretty? You gotta cut through it all the way first. Okay. Yeah, you see what I'm saying. I'm not going to be able to do the end of mine like Markus did his. But I think you're getting the idea. Roll that dough over like that. Ain't that nice? You didn't think I could do that. Yeah, the dough over again, This is tedious, isn't it? Watching me do this. Okay, I got this almost done. I've got one pizza roll-up almost finished. I just want to finish this up. I should go in fast motion, huh? Maybe not. I hate working with dough. I didn't cut through it all the way. It's starting to soften up out here. It's so warm out here that the dough is starting to really warm up. There we go. One more, come on. One more, and the end, and this on the end piece. And guess what? It's almost done. What do we got left to do? Let's put a little bit of Tango Spice porchetta rub on there. That'll look nice, won't it? A little porchetta rub on the outside of that. Porchetta rub has got fennel seeds and I can't remember what all else is in it. Let's see. Fennel seeds, celery seed, garlic, kosher salt, white pepper, black pepper, rosemary, and oregano. So yeah, that's a great spice from Tango Joe. Okay, that's done. I gotta make 2 of those because they're small. And I'm gonna get them on the Commander Pizza Stone and get them cooked up. It takes about 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got my pizza roll-ups on the Pizza Stone on the Charbroil Commander Grill. It's gonna take about 35 minutes to cook those up. You want the temperature to come up slowly so that you don't crack the Pizza Stone. I'm gonna put the cover on that, close that up. You like here, like this. And we'll watch the temperature on that. We want it to get up to about 350, 400 degrees. We're gonna open that top vent all the way up. And yeah, gonna get it going. Stay tuned. Okay, my pizza roll doojobbies are done. Let's cut into it and see how I did. Doesn't look too bad. Not too shabby at all, I don't think. I think that'll make a nice thumbnail right there, won't it? Let me get a beer and we'll cut into this thing and take a taste, so stay tuned. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. And here's today's beer, Peroni. Peroni, nice Italian beer for my pizza roll-ups. Nastro Azzurro. Good beer, had it before. And yeah, let's pour that out, Rob. You know that's good beer. We're going for like 7 of 7 perfect pours. Let's see, can I do it without spilling, over foaming, or making a mess? And I did it, Rob. Look. Look how good I am. Wow. Yeah, that's good beer. We don't have to sniff that or anything. We can just quaff the froth right off of that. Mmm. That's delicious. Let me get a slice of my pizza roll-ups over here and get one in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, my sausage pizza roll-up thingy is done. Looking pretty good there. That Commander grill gets really hot. It's one good thing about it for making pizza. Let me take a bite of that. Mmm, it's still warm. Oh, that's really good. I'm not surprised. Yeah. This recipe belongs to my buddy Markus. Markus is, like I said, a German dude. I'll put a link to Markus's channel in the description down below, and you can go watch him make this. And in the iCard, I want to put, well, let's say it like I always say it. Before I drop everything off my thing here, let me get a swig of beer. I'm dry. Yeah, what I always say is, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard. Got me. iCard. Visit my buddy, Brian, the Bearded Italian. I'm the Bearded Italian, Brian, but you are too. Anyway, yeah. Go check out Markus in the description below. Go check out Brian in the iCard. Look how good I'm pointing to the iCard. And yeah, babies, make this recipe. It's awesome. It's like it's a pizza thingy. It's delicious. I'm gonna tell you what. Wow, hot. Stretchy cheese. Hot. Hot stuff. Yeah. That's it, babies. That's my video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you consider subscribing. Oh, hey, I'm wearing my old guy hat. I know you can't see it. Yeah, see what it says? Yeah, last week, you know, I said something kind of bad. I called my cousin Marie an agent provocateur. I shouldn't have said that. What I meant to say is, Marie, you are scotch. That's what you are, a scotch. I'm sorry. I don't mean that either. She's a wonderful person, a lovely lady. I love her like my own sister. I got a piece of sausage with some cheese hanging off it. A lovely lady. I love her. Thank you for the hat. I love the hat. And yeah, that's my video. All right, I'm gonna go eat my pizza roll up. We'll see you next week, okay? Bye.